Today we're making that original Thai spring roll the right way. Oh, the best spring roll. Good spring roll needs good dipping sauce. I like to have 3 different mild, medium, hot dipping for everyone. I got coconut sweet chili, I got sweet chili spicy one, and coconut sriracha. This all for you hot people. Everyone ready? Cooking class with Noi. You know how to go. Now let's cooking. First of all, we need to talk about noodle. Original recipe in Thai we call vun sen. You can call him bean straight or glass noodle. This is how they look like. They white. When they cook, they go clear. To cook, you have to soak this in warm water. Not boiling water, just warm. And 5 minutes, noodle cook. Now we're gonna do filling. I gotta make the garlic paste first. Put the garlic in and black peppercorn. Here's the secret ingredient, coriander root. Yes, see the coriander? Or you might call cilantro. You're gonna use this part here. This part's a lot of flavor. Now pound it up. You don't like someone, you think about when you pound it. No, I like everyone. Son-in-law. This is what should look like. Look like my noodle is cooked. You don't want overcooked. Just drain the noodle. Another tip from Noi, you cut the noodle, make it smaller. Easy to stir fry. Now we heat up the pan. When the pan is hot, add some oil. Add the garlic paste. Add the pork in now. I'm using pork mince. You can do the chicken too if you want. Oh, smells so good. Garlic, coriander. Now the carrot and the cabbage. Stir fry soft the vegetable. Now the noodle and the fish sauce. Now we mix it up. Oh, come together good. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Now we're gonna let the filling cool down. Another tip from Noi, put it out in a tray, cool quicker. See, Noi, no. You listen to Noi. Now the fun part, we go rolling a spring roll. I taught Marion how to roll spring roll when she little. One day I then decided to make the spring roll. Marion, she'd come to the kitchen, she said, Mom, it smells good. That time she's still little yet. Every time I cooking, Marion always in the kitchen with me. Because she liked that, to watching and she liked to eating. Sometimes she eat all the filling. That's another tip from Noi. Keep the spring roll wrapping in a wet tea towel, otherwise they dry out. No good. I have the flour and water to seal the spring roll. Some people they use egg, but it's not sticky enough. This one better. Peel the spring roll wrapping one first. Put down the wrapper. Make the corner facing you. Now I'm going to put the filling in one corner. You see the shape here? Now we're rolling. All the top, pull in tight. Now you got another end first and another end. Like this, okay? Push you tie a little bit and you start to rolling. So you tie a little bit, rolling like this, rolling like this. Now you can see that how it's beautiful spring roll. Okay, let's look at my spring roll. Another tip from Noi, wooden chopstick or spoon. Look at the bubbling, bubbling. That means ready to fry the spring roll. Just put in gently, but you don't want crowdy. The crowdy make the oil not hot, or you get oily spring roll. Move around a little bit, get a nice color. Filling already cooked, so make sure they're nice and golden brown. Oh, that's nice color. When they're ready, drain in the paper towel. Oh, just look at that. Very nice. I'm gonna cut one open, look, you can see. You can hear the crispy. Perfect. Another winner from Noi.